Why are you still wasting time sitting in traffic just to pick up your laundry when you could be using Martinizing dry cleaning and getting it delivered right to your doorstep for free? Martinizing dry cleaning services the East Bay with one goal: to provide the highest quality dry cleaning in the world at affordable prices and with maximum convenience. Enjoy free pickup services 7 days a week through our easy-to-use app, or give us a call and let us handle the rest. We utilize state-of-the-art technology and employ industry experts to ensure that you and your clothes receive the best care possible. After your garment receives our signature cleaning service, it's inspected at 8 different points to ensure we deliver your clothing in top quality condition. Your clothes and your peace of mind are always covered by our unconditional satisfaction guarantee. And if you're still not convinced, we'll give you $10 in free cleaning just to try us. If we are not the best and most convenient dry cleaners you have ever used, we'll give you a $20 gift card to our closest competitor. So quit driving yourself crazy and let Martinizing be the best and most convenient dry cleaners you'll ever use.